Hey, I want to do an unboxing of the Garmin GPSMAP 65. This is the GPS unit that my local search and rescue team uses. They have their own, but I decided to go ahead and purchase my own to free up one for another member, and so that I always just have it with me and have it set up the way I wanted it. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing, as this is my first time opening this brand new. So, manual. Nice Garmin carabiner and clip attachment. Charging cable. And I'm going to butcher this part. Get this stuff out here. There we go. There is the unit itself. Looks like I'll probably need to charge it. I guess I'll do the honors. It's the best part. Oh, so satisfying. So that's the Garmin GPSMAP 65, and I'm sure I'll make some more review videos as well.